Belarus, a landlocked country in Eastern Europe, is known for its rich history, unique culture, and distinctive political landscape. Here are some interesting facts about Belarus. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Let's start. 1. Belarus was significantly affected by the Chernobyl nuclear disaster in 1986, as the Chernobyl nuclear power plant is located just across the border in Ukraine. A large portion of Belarusian territory was contaminated, leading to long-term health and environmental consequences. The aftermath of the disaster continues to influence the country today. 2. Belarus is the only European country that still has the death penalty. It is bordered by Russia to the northeast, Ukraine to the south, Poland to the west, Lithuania to the northwest, and Latvia to the north. The capital and largest city of Belarus is Minsk. 3. Belarusians have a strong affinity for potatoes, and the country is often humorously referred to as the land of potatoes. 4. The country is known for its heavy industry, including the production of tractors, trucks, and machinery. The Belarus 75710 is one of the world's largest mining trucks, manufactured by the Belarusian company Belarus. It has a payload capacity of up to 450 metric tons, making it one of the most massive dump trucks globally. 5. The literacy rate in Belarus is high, reflecting the emphasis on education. 6. Independence Avenue in Minsk is one of the longest city streets in Europe, extending for approximately 15.6 kilometers across the capital. 7. The country has a system of underground bunkers that were built during the Soviet era. 8. Political opposition faces significant challenges, and Belarus is often criticized for its human rights record. 9. Belarus has hosted the Ice Hockey World Championships, reflecting the popularity of ice hockey in the country. 10. Belarus has a continental climate with cold winters and warm summers. 11. Belarus has a low population density compared to many European countries. 12. The country has a well-developed network of cycling paths, promoting eco-friendly transportation. 13. The country has a social parasite tax targeting individuals who work less than 183 days a year and do not pay income tax. 14. Belarus has a visa-free regime for citizens of numerous countries, allowing short stays without a visa. 15. The Minsk World Trade Center, located in Minsk, is one of the tallest buildings in the country. It is a multifunctional complex with office spaces and reaches a height of around 140 meters. 16. The country has a high rate of alcohol-related diseases and mortality. 17. The country has a relatively low crime rate compared to some European nations. 18. The National Library of Belarus is home to the world's first inventory barcode. 19. Belarus is one of the few countries where the KFC fast food chain struggled to establish itself successfully. 20. The Pripyat River, flowing through Belarus, is sometimes referred to as the Belarusian Amazon due to its vast marshes and diverse ecosystems. 21. Belarus is dotted with hidden wooden churches in remote villages, showcasing traditional architecture. 22. The country hosts one of the world's largest populations of white storks, considered a symbol of fertility and prosperity. 23. The renowned artist Mark Chagall was born in Vitebsk, Belarus. The city honors his legacy with the Mark Chagall Art Center. 24. Belarusians celebrate the ancient pagan holiday of Kupala Night on the shortest night of the year, involving bonfires, dancing, and various rituals. 25. More than 40% of Belarus is covered by forests, making it one of the greenest countries in Europe. 26. Belarus gained independence from the Soviet Union on August 25, 1991. The official languages of Belarus are Belarusian and Russian.